Hello, friend and everyone. So today I've given a task to complete one drawing. You'll see here. So one of my follower on Facebook, he had some problem. He wanted me to draw the 3D model. So let's start. So for now, as usual, we need to modify the layers. So from here, we'll start creating the layers. I know everyone has seen few videos how to create layers. So let's make a center line. I normally use 2 layers only. Center line. I will make it red. Let's change color to red. And the line type. Load from here. Dash. That's enough. Load it. Okay. So we'll also make a dimension. So for dimension, I'll make yellow, no green. Yes, this one. The line type, the normal continue. Okay, so let's hide this grid, this rectangular boxes, and then I think we are done. Make sure that you switch to this workspace, 3D modeling, for this kind of drawing to complete. Okay, let's start. So this is the W. I don't like this being seen here. Let's hide it here, so it'll stay here. Okay. So because the drawing showing that this is the front, so I'll set this at the top. Okay. So let's draw. We'll start by drawing. Let's use line. Make it ortho. Draw a line of length 2.5. 2.5 is very small, and then from here draw another length of 4.5. 4.5 is straightforward, and then draw a line here of 0.75. 0.75. Okay, and then move it here. Okay, so we have drawn our line here. So we need to offset the line. So let's see how much should we offset the line. Okay, so from here we need to offset. Let's offset 0.75. Okay, we will offset this line here, and we'll offset this line here, and then let's do the trimming. Select the boundary. Okay, we just don't need the boundary here. Okay, so we have drawn it. So let's join this part with this part. The joint is. So we have joined it. We need to make it close the geometry. So we have enter. So we have joined it into close the geometry. You can see it. So now what we need to do? We need to extrude this. We need to extrude. Click here and extrude it to a dimension of 3. Okay, so we extrude it. Now there's something we need to do from here. Switch it to this view, make it top. Once you've done that, let's use this center line. We need red color. Draw a line of length from here. Draw a line of length 1.5. Okay, and then offset this line by 1, both sides. Offset by 1. Click it, move to your left. Click again, move to your right. Then connect these new lines to make a length of 2. And then copy the same line. This point to here. Okay. And then delete the center, this midline. Okay. And then join it because we need to extrude it. Modify, join. Select this line. this line, and also the red line over here. Okay, so click enter. So we have joined this one with a closed loop. Extrude. Click this line, extrude all the way to this point. Then we need to subtract. Click the base, and then what we don't need. Okay, we have subtracted it. You can see over here. I prefer showing in grayscale because you can see the real dimension and everything, the real picture of it. What else remaining? Okay, let's switch it to wireframe. From a wireframe, draw a line. Make sure it's straight. Yes, it's straight layer. Draw a line here to here, and then make sure it is top because we need to offset this going inside. Click offset, length of 2.67. 2.67. Okay. Click it of inside. Enter. And then we need also to offset to draw another line. Make sure that the line is from here all the way here. It's just temporary to get a reference of a line so that we need to offset it. So, offset through 1.5. 1.5. Here. Okay. So we have offset it. So delete this, select this and this, delete. If you need it to, we'll draw it again. And now we need to draw a cylinder to make a hole here. A cylinder, click here. Make sure that you select dimension at the diameter. So the diameter is 0.75. Okay. You can extrude it to this point. Now let's create a cut section. Okay. Let's preview and grayscale. Oh yeah, we did it. Okay, let's get back to wireframe. I prefer wireframe because you can see the transparency of our drawing. I don't think if we need this two line. Erase. Okay. So there's one thing we need to do. We need to offset this line. Okay. Create two line. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Create two line from here. Create a line here, and also create a line from here to here. Then we need to offset. So switch this front to be your top. Okay. Then offset. We will start offsetting the left line, the right line. Okay, the right side line too. Offset this to here, and also let's delete it so that it doesn't interfere. So okay, we okay to 10, the top one by 10 meaning 1. Okay, copy this one down 10. So now let's join this and here. Now you need to clear some things out. Let's erase this line, and trim this line. Okay, join this one because we need to extrude here. So join this line, this line, this line, and then click extrude all the way back. Then let's subtract from the base file. Okay, I think we've made it so clear, loud and clear. I don't think if we left anything out. Yeah, the shape, very simple shape is over here. Okay. Be sure to subscribe to see more of my videos so that you can get a clear picture of how things are done. I wish you very luck with the simple as it is. Okay.